Welcome to Martin Maths. Today we're going to be doing some ratio with food, and then we have circles in a cake.
Fantastic. So let's look at these cupcakes. We've split them up in a ratio. What's the ratio we're working with?
6, 4, 2.
6 to 4 to 2. We've got 6 to 4 to 2. Now we want to simplify that. So what do we do then?
We find the factor. We
Find
a
a
common
factor?
Of all three numbers.
Okay, and what's common to all three, 6 and 4 and 2?
2.
Okay, so we then divide it all by 2 and we get?
3, 2, 1.
Fantastic. Can you show me that, please? There we go. 3, 2, and 1. That's brilliant. Okay, so that's the ratio. Now we're going to move along to the cake. And I want to know who's eaten my cake, or how much of my cake have you eaten? How do we work that out?
So, first we get our protractor.
As you would when you're baking.
And we have to measure how many degrees are there.
Okay, so we can hold that protractor there right at the center, and we can see 140 degrees. So someone has eaten 140 degrees out of 360. So if we had 140 degrees out of 360, what percentage is that?
The percentage is 0.388.
Okay, so that's a decimal, so about 38%. So they've eaten just over a third of my cake. Okay, at least they've left me half. But now I want to know what the volume of this cake is. How do we work that out? Okay, so we need to know the formula. We need to know the area of a circle is pi r squared, and the depth or the height would give us its volume. So we need pi r squared. To get the radius, I need to know the diameter. What's the diameter of this cake?
The diameter is 28 centimeters.
So the radius is
14.
14. So that means pi times 14 squared is
900. Sorry, 615.17.
and then we're going to times that by that depth, which we've just measured with the ruler there, of 4 centimeters. So we measure the diameter first and then the depth. So we can times that by 4 and we get
957.05.
well, that's the we need to get the volume of the whole cake, 2,461. But then to find out how much is eaten, I'm going to multiply those two numbers, 38% by that 2,461, which gives me the answer you just said, which was
957.05.
Okay, so that's how much cubic centimeters of my cake's been eaten. There we go. So just a bit of maths with food, some ratio, and some area of a circle, volume of a circle, and percentages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And goodbye from all.
Bye.
Bye.